Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is also the founder of Neuralink, a company that aims to connect human brains directly to computers. This futuristic concept has been the subject of much excitement and speculation. But what is Neuralink, and what are its plans for the future? Neuralink was founded in 2016 with the goal of developing a technology that would enable direct communication between human brains and computers. The company's mission is to create a high-bandwidth neural interface between humans and computers that will allow us to merge with AI. According to Musk, the ultimate goal of Neuralink is to create a symbiotic relationship between humans and AI, with the human brain able to seamlessly interface with computers and artificial intelligence. To achieve this goal, Neuralink is developing a new kind of brain implant called the Neuralink. This implant consists of tiny electrodes that are implanted into the brain and connected to a computer via wireless interface. The Neuralink is designed to be minimally invasive, with the electrodes being inserted into the brain using a robot to minimize the risk of damage. So far, Neuralink has made significant progress in developing its technology. In 2020, the company demonstrated a working prototype of its Neuralink technology in a pig named Gertrude. The pig had a Neuralink implanted in its brain that allowed Neuralink to track its brain activity and movements in real time. Musk has also stated that the company has successfully implanted Neuralinks in monkeys and is planning to conduct human trials in the near future. The potential applications of Neuralink's technology are vast and varied. One of the most promising areas is medical applications, such as restoring movement to people with paralysis or improving brain function in patients with neurological disorders. Neuralink's technology could also be used to enhance cognitive abilities or provide a direct link between the human brain and the internet. However, the technology also raises significant ethical concerns. One major concern is the potential for misuse or abuse of the technology, such as using it to control people's thoughts or actions. There is also the risk of data breaches or hacking, which could result in sensitive information about a person's brain activity being accessed by unauthorized individuals. Despite these concerns, Musk and Neuralink remain optimistic about the future of the technology. In a recent interview, Musk stated that he believes Neuralink will be able to develop a brain implant that will enable humans to communicate telepathically within the next decade. He also stated that the technology could eventually lead to the creation of a superhuman version of humanity, with enhanced cognitive abilities and the ability to communicate directly with computers and AI. While the development of a brain-computer interface is still in its early stages, the potential for this technology is immense. It could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, opening up new avenues for medical treatment and enhancing our cognitive abilities. However, it is important to consider the ethical implications of this technology and ensure that it is developed and implemented in a responsible and transparent manner. In conclusion, Elon Musk's company Neuralink is working towards the development of a brain-computer interface that will enable direct communication between the human brain and computers. While the technology is still in its early stages, Neuralink has made significant progress and is optimistic about the future of the technology. The potential applications of the technology are vast and varied, but it also raises significant ethical concerns. As the technology continues to develop, it is important to ensure that it is developed and implemented in a responsible and transparent manner to avoid any unintended consequences.